The Taxable Payment Annual Report is also known as TPAR. Now, this doesn't relate to all industries, but if you're in building and construction, cleaning, road freight, couriers, information technology, or security, investigation, or surveillance, then this is for you. So personally, I think this will eventually be required for all industries, but we're not there yet. TPAR is a document that needs to be submitted to the tax office in August and gives them information about payments that you've made to your subcontractors. It was brought in quite a few years ago in an effort to stamp out non-compliant payments to subcontractors and ensure that subcontractors were declaring their income correctly. And a hot tip for you, even if you don't engage subcontractors, if you're in one of these industries, you still need to lodge a report. So in this instance, it would be a nil report. If you do engage subcontractors, TPAR means it's more important than ever to ensure that you have source documents and up-to-date information in your accounting software. And we have a little tip that I can show you about how you can, something that will help you extract this information more easily. And that is to set up a contact group. And I'm going to show you how in the demo file. Okay, so in Xero, we're going to go to Contacts and All Contacts. From here, we're going to select the drop-down next to Groups and select New Group. Give the group a name. In this case, we're going to call it TPAR, and Create. Now we want to select the supplier to add to the group. So say it's this one. We're going to click on the three dots, Manage Groups. We're going to add them to the TPAR group. Now, when you run your reports for TPAR, you simply need to select the TPAR group rather than individually selecting subcontractors to add to the report. And actually, there could be many other reasons for you to use contact groups. It's really just a way to filter information in your reporting. So you might want to know the location of your customers. So you could create contact groups based on location. Or you might have clients in different revenue brackets. So you could create groups based on that. The options are really limitless.